much elementary math over here, nothing really difficult. It's about how you phrase the question. Like this one, I guess it's kind of difficult. One factorial divided by 10. Now we need to figure out which term is going to be faster. Okay, this is difficult. So we know that net term divergence works somehow. We don't really know how it does, but we do know that it's increasing volume. This is some great music. गाना था music. I come from a land down under. This is not at all what the question is asking about. Let's just say n factorial divided by 10 to the power n. Does this series diverge or converge? Grouping on here, okay, and it reaches infinity 1 by 10. Wait a goddamn minute, this is wrong. Okay, he says, okay, so Rob says, misgendered AI, it says that compute the ratio of the consecutive terms. And then it goes on to, first of all, it includes that it converges and it says absolutely. Okay, so there's a dramatic thing going on over here. Then it goes on to say that compute the ratio of consecutive terms. So that means you take an plus 1, which over here would be n plus 1 factorial divided by n. First of all, that is an plus 1 divided by an. And we need to figure out its limit for our series. And it says this. So now we take this, which is a number, fine, and we divide it. So it would be 10 to the power n over and n factorial. And the n factorial kills that, and you get n plus 1 divided by 10. This is what you want to say. And this value at n approaching infinity approaches infinity. And so it can't converge because infinity is greater than 1. Are you high? Well, first of all, there are in total, I would say, 9 rules or 9 applications. Let's name this math. Sorry, let's name this. Share this. Video out. ask it for tests. Give me some convergence and divergence checking tests for sequences only. So you have now some series checking tests. Write instructions, be informative, please. Let's not. I'm going to try and finish this tutorial as quick as I can. I need to rest. So the first question was this. We got that right, and it diverges. Series taking test have nth term, geometric series, P series. So nth term, it's pretty easy. It is that at A approaches infinity, A is equal to it's a NAND relation. It's some mode of a relation. I'll just show you what I mean by that. When your limit n approaches infinity for a n is equal to some constant, this means that the sum of those numbers can or cannot, may or may not, I don't know why I wrote can, may or may not be divergent. So it can be both, right? But if your limit n approaches infinity, a n is equal to infinity, then it will diverge 100% of the time. There is no chance that it won't. This is the first test, and it is called NS test. You can just call it limit test. Please just call it limit test. There's really no reason to call it an NS test. Second up, this is the geometric test, which is if you have, okay, fine. I'll let it slide. Geometric test. If you have some series where you have R and R is less than 1 and A R n minus 1,